Okay, any one review about this experience in your native language you wanna give?
About what?
This experience, like whatever we did over here, how you felt about it? It was
I
very
wish this trend is there in Hyderabad too.
okay in your native language.
ఈ ట్రెండ్ యాక్చువల్లీ హైదరాబాద్ లో కూడా ఉంటే బాగుండేది.
బాగుంటుంది
Yeah.
డెఫినెట్లీ ఉంటారు
ఉంటారు.
మీరు చూడలేదంటే.
Okay.
Excuse me, hi, can I talk to you for a minute? I'm a photographer. Can I take some of your photos?
I don't think I'm confident enough to like get
No, I'm taking you're very confident. It's for Instagram purpose. That's it.
okay.
You have an Instagram account. Is it public or private?
Public.
It's public, right? So then
But I
you're
don't post with my face.
why?
I'm insecure.
You're insecure. Trust me, you're very beautiful. My name is Anil. What's your name?
Diya.
Diya. Putti, ilide. Amle baita. Ille sa kaste hogo.
Tell me.
Okay, your name is Diya. Okay, hi Diya. Where are you from?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay, according to you, what is famous in Hyderabad?
Biryani.
Biryani.
Yes.
Okay, apart from biryani, you wanna mention anything?
Nilofer Cafe.
Kilo for huh?
Nilofer Chai.
Nilofer chai.
Irani Chai.
Okay, it's Hinani chai. That is famous according to you. Okay, so how long it's been that you're in Bangalore?
It's been about 4 days. It's my second time coming to Bangalore.
Okay, the purpose of coming
Just to explore.
just to explore.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you do for a living?
Do I have to say that?
It's okay if you don't want to say that.
Market trading.
Stock marketing trading. Okay, that's a very good thing. So, what do you want to become in future? Any ambitions you have? Huh?
Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur. Based on
Based
any-
on food business.
food business. Illa madam, please, thank you. Okay, that's very good. I wish you all the best for that. Can you shake the hands?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you have a favorite actor of yours? Whom do you like the
Yeah.
most? Yeah. Okay. Who?
From Telugu film industry.
In general.
Yeah.
Okay. Amla bara.
It's a junior NTR.
Junior NTR. Oh, that's very good because
Devara.
I watched
Yeah.
it. Oh yeah, I'm a big fan of devara NTR also. I've seen in so many movies. I'm also waiting for his War 2.
Oh.
War 2 with Hrithik Roshan is making a movie. So I'm also waiting for that. And my favorite movie of him is Yamadonga.
Oh, it's very old one.
But the transformation he made was very fat,
So chubby.
chubby and fat.
Yeah.
And then he dedicated himself to fitting into the.
Foodie back then, but then for that movie he has changed himself a lot.
Yeah, so that was very surprising for me, and the amount of effort he's put in that movie, I really like. Okay, why do you like Junior NTR?
The way he presents himself being sad, especially
Okay,
or anger, it's
Okay.
like next level. Like no one can project that expressions on face.
definitely.
Yeah.
And he also acts this anger in him. Have you
Anger.
seen Jaya, something like that? Jay Lavakusha.
Oh, did you watch that?
I'm a huge fan of NTR. Yeah,
Okay.
really.
Yeah, it's like he has played three different
Characters.
roles in
In that Ravan, I really liked that. He's something like that.
It's like can't describe.
We both are on the same page.
Yeah.
You have a favorite song of yours?
Currently,
Oh.
yeah, it's called Escapism.
Escapism. By whom?
I forgot the singer name.
It's okay. I'll search. Okay, escapism. Right. I can show you. Okay, just stand over here for a photo. I can hold some of your stuffs. Can hold your roller. You
I'll wear this jacket.
yeah. I'll just show you how you're looking. Then you can adjust. Okay. If not, just stand. Okay. Huh?
What am I supposed to do?
Nothing. Just be yourself.
I don't know. I mean, I really.
It's okay. It's okay.
I never post because.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll just show you. If you're okay with that, we'll continue. If not, it's okay. Like I don't want to force you for anything. See the way you are.
Oh yeah.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
You want to adjust the thing, the hairs.
I think I'm good.
You think you're good? That's enough. I can hold something. Why?
Sorry.
You were very confident.
So,
Like in 50 photos over here. We'll do some more, okay? For now, just see here, and the camera, okay? It'll be very quick. I'll come around you. Okay, just be yourself. Don't think anything. Ignore the public. Ignore your shyness. Just focus on the camera, okay? Just come around you. Just see here, there, me. That's it. Okay? Putty, I'm not hoga. Ila to tone di hoga ita.
I'm sorry. I
It's
can't.
okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
You were confident enough for the 50 photos, and then the rest you just shied away. It's okay. We see the photos.
Oh no!
Why? No. It's okay. I've taken so many photos. Like it's 50, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna choose any one, which is very good. Yeah. I'll show you. You can choose your photos.
Yeah.
Okay. See, and then you shied away. See over here. No. You're the mouth. Okay, maybe this is good. Okay, I'll show you. Okay. Yeah, we'll do some more. Putti pada hogama. Aita. Now. Look there. Look here. Look me. That's it. Okay, ready? You did too much.
I just don't know how to give an expression.
It's okay. I'm there.
Honestly, if you find my Instagram, you will not even see one picture of
Post.
my face.
Okay. Why is that?
I don't know. I just don't know how to my face is all bland all the time.
It's you making yourself. You have to, you have to come out of come out of your zone. You have to see Junior NTR, like how he is. That fellow.
NTR.
Then being a fan, you're just a black mark to it, to his fanism.
Please leave me.
Putti bada hoga no, illa Ismail bhai.
So many from her, so she's expecting me to buy again.
Okay.
Oh lol, no.
It's okay. See, I've taken some 50 photos, right? So you can choose. I'm gonna send you, which is good, which is not good.
No,
This one.
no. Yeah, this one. Without face.
Okay, we'll do one last one. Okay, just walk towards the camera.
Okay, do I have to wear my jacket first?
Yeah, you can do it.
Right. We'll try doing it with the jacket.
Yeah. It will be a slow motion video, but here it'll be normal. I'll make it for you. Okay, it'll be a surprising thing.
Oh, nice. So you have
Yeah, I can hold you.
page?
I'll show you. I'll put నేర్చుకునేదివల్ల
Wow.
ఏ పుట్టి నీ తెలుగునా హిందీనా యావదో నేను తెలుగు వస్తుందా పోమా తీసుకునేవాడు పాపము ఇంకెంత ఇస్తావు అంత తీసుకోవాలా ఫ్రీగా ఇస్తావా కాదు కదా వ్యాపారం చేయ కదా ఇక్కడ చేసిన కదా వ్యాపారము మళ్ళీ వస్తావా సర్లేదమ్మా ఇది వీడియోలో ఉంది మీరందరూ వస్తున్నారు వీడియోలో నువ్వు వస్తున్నావు ఓకే దిస్ వాక్ వాస్ కెమెరా
What?
Yeah. Yeah, you can have. Come like Janvi Kapoor.
Oh, no way.
It's okay, ignore them. That was confident, yaar. That was very confident. I never expected this.
Oh, no way.
See? Like a model.
Can I do one more, please?
Yeah, you can do. What happened?
Nothing. I'll do one more.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do one more.
Yeah.
పుట్టే నువ్వు ఇక్కడ వస్తున్నావు నువ్వు ఇక్కడ రాబోదు నువ్వు అయినా నువ్వు వస్తే నువ్వు ఉంటావు దీంట్లో అయినా ఆపకుండు
How
was good.
Okay.
If you want to stop, right, you have to stop over there.
Okay.
Not even,
Can I like zoom in? You can stop it, right?
no. It's a fixed camera, so I have to go back. If I go back now, the camera will shake. See?
I'm blinking too much, I guess.
It's okay. I'm gonna rectify it. See, this will be into slow motion video. Be fast, be slow, be fast, be slow. Something like that. I can show you. It was good, right? You want to do one more?
That's fine.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, any one review about this experience in your native language you want to give?
About what?
This experience, like, whatever we did over here, how you felt about it? It was,
I
very,
wish this friend is there in Hyderabad too.
okay, in your native language.
ఈ ఫ్రెండ్ యాక్చువల్లీ హైదరాబాద్ లో కూడా ఉంటే బాగుండేది.
బాగుండేది.
Yeah.
Definitely. ఉంటారు.
Sure.
మీరు చూడలేదంటే.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you for that. I hope to see you again.